everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad to have you back in today's recipe. I'll be showing you how to make baked ziti. So you're going to start by bringing a large pot of water on the stove top. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and bring the water to a boil. Once the water has come to a boil, bring in 400 grams of ziti. You can also use penne pasta. Cook the pasta according to pack instruction. Once your ziti is done, you can strain them through a colander. Drizzle the pasta with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and stir to coat. The oil prevents the pasta from clumping together. You can now cover it and set aside while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Go ahead and place a large sauté pan on the stove top. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and once the oil has heated up, go in with 600 grams of ground beef. Break up the larger chunks of the beef into smaller pieces and cook the beef for 5 minutes until it's no longer pink. Go in with 1 chopped small onion and cook the onion for 3 minutes. Also add in 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for just a minute. You can go ahead and season the meat with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir this again for everything to combine nicely. You can go ahead and add half cup of water or beef broth to the meat. Cover the pot and bring this to a boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 12 minutes of cooking the beef on medium heat, most of the liquid has evaporated. You can season this with half teaspoon of chili flakes. Also bring in 4 cups of marinara sauce. I have shown how to make marinara sauce at home. The link will appear just as you're watching this. Mix this again to incorporate nicely. Cover the mixture again and bring to a simmer for 5 minutes. You can come back to this and add in just about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped basil. Stir to combine and turn off the stove. Scoop about 2 large spoons of the meat sauce over the bottom of your casserole dish. I'm using an oval casserole dish here, and if you have a 9x13 casserole dish, that would be great as well. Into the remaining meat sauce, scoop in 1 cup of ricotta cheese. Lightly stir this for the cheese to mix with the sauce. Bring in the cooked ziti pasta into the same sauce. Stir this until the pasta are fully coated. Transfer half of the pasta to the casserole dish and spread it out to cover the whole pan. Top it with half cup of mozzarella cheese and half cup of parmesan cheese. Spread everything out evenly and make sure the cheese covers the pasta nicely. Add the remaining pasta on top. Go ahead and top it up with the remaining half cup of mozzarella cheese and half cup of parmesan cheese. And while you're doing this, remember to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is all nice and ready to go into the preheated oven. Now bake this for 25 minutes. And once you notice some bubbles on the sides of the pan, your baked ziti is ready. You can take it out of the oven and leave it to cool just a little bit. Go ahead and garnish this with some basil. This baked ziti smells good and I can tell it's really gonna be yummy. So let's dig into this and see what it looks like. You can see how cheesy this looks like. I really love this and I can't wait to consume this right away. I hope you try it out. Let me know what you think about this baked ziti recipe in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill if you have not subscribed already. Until next time guys, I hope you enjoy your baked ziti. Bye for now.